Hey, I'm Lysandra Everett showing you how to make money and run a profitable business online. I'm going to be here Monday through Friday with a new video every day that shows you different ways to make money or business tips that helps you run a profitable, sustainable business. So you want to make sure that you smash that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss anything. All right. So with today, I'm going to share with you a quick review of QuickBooks Self-Employed, okay? So one of the things that is lacking in the home business community is really good bookkeeping and record keeping. So I want to do a quick review of QuickBooks Self-Employed as a tool to help you grow and manage your business, all right? So hold on just one second and let me get to my screen, all right? Here we go. I think I have that here. All right. So where we are right now, we are on the QuickBooks site, okay? And so there's a different types of QuickBooks, but I want to focus right here on the QuickBooks Self-Employed. So first of all, people look at the pricing. So right now, you can get QuickBooks Self-Employed for $5 a month, which is 50% off for 6 months, or I do believe they offer a 30-day trial. But if you take the 30-day trial, the free trial, then you don't have the options of the $5 per month for 6 months. But whatever, pick whatever works for you, all right? So who is the QuickBooks Self-Employed for, all right? If you are a freelancer type or if you work from home, then QuickBooks Self-Employed, you file a Schedule C. See, it says right here, if you file a Schedule C, then QuickBooks Self-Employed is for you. However, if you have to do something like track an inventory, then QuickBooks Self-Employed will not work for you. You'll need the plus level, which helps you track an inventory. Okay, but if you're a ride-sharing driver, if you do freelance work, if you work from home, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, that kind of thing, 9 times out of 10, you file a Schedule C. All right, so let's talk about it. So first, tracking income and expenses. Okay. They say it right here, know where your money is going. All right, one of the failures that we have in the home business community, whether it's, like I said, regardless of the arena, is accurate record keeping. You have no idea how crucial this is for your business. So being able to have a device to help you track your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money is coming from and also where it's going is key for you to be able to have a solid picture of how your business is doing, okay? You can also separate them into different categories and everything right there. All right. The next thing is capturing and organizing the receipts. Okay. Here's the one thing that is still pervasive in the home business industry is that your credit card statement or bank statement is enough to support your expenses. It is not. You need the copy of the receipt. And so being able to capture and organize your receipts by taking a picture so that you have a digital copy is everything, okay? Because if you have to substantiate an expense, you need to be able to produce the paper, all right? So being able to capture your receipts is, again, everything. Estimating quarterly taxes. Now, if you don't know, I'm also a tax professional, and one of the things that scares the bejesus out of people is the quarterly taxes, like how to estimate, also when to pay them, and if you have to pay them. Okay, so with with QuickBooks Self-Employed, you'll get notifications. You'll know how much you owe based on your income, based on your expenses. And so that will help you set aside the appropriate amount, even if you don't have scheduled estimated quarterly tax payments yet. Now, if you do what you're supposed to do and grow your business, at some point you will have estimated tax payments. So you have to get in the habit of setting aside at least 30% of your income for taxes, okay? Because every state is different. You have your income tax, you have your state taxes, you have federal taxes, you have state taxes, you have individual state compliance taxes, you got business privilege taxes. There's all sorts of taxes that businesses pay, and so being disciplined about setting aside that money will only help you come tax time. All right, running basic reports. Now, Here's where people really do not understand the importance of bookkeeping, and this is where you're really going to make your money, okay? So it shows things like profit and loss, expenses, and balance sheets, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you are planning on your business supporting your lifestyle, meaning this is how you're going to feed your family, this is how you're going to pay your rent, your mortgage, and all of that, these reports are crucial for you to help you show the health and the income of your business in addition to your tax returns, okay? So you have to be able to show the health of your business, the income, your cash flow, all of these things, and this is what bookkeeping does. Now, the one thing that QuickBooks Self-Employed does that the other versions do not is track mileage. If you are a freelancer, depending on how much you drive, you really need to track your miles. And with tracking your mileage is one of the most audited areas of the Schedule C because it is such a moneymaker for business owners, okay? I think for 2018, the mileage rate is 54.5 cents per mile or 54 cents per mile, somewhere around there. But the fact is that you have to have a clear mileage log that shows your beginning point, your end point. So your starting address, your ending address, the number of miles, who you went there for, why you went there, all of that needs to be in your mileage log in order for you to be audit proof, okay? So that, if you get audited, if you have all of this information available to you, then you have a better chance of surviving an audit, coming out unscathed rather than, paying more to the IRS. So QuickBooks Self-Employed is a great way to get started with your bookkeeping when you're working from home. It's fairly easy to use. There's lots of tutorials, whether they're in QuickBooks or even on YouTube and all of that. But as a tax professional, all right, let me put that back, okay? So even as a tax professional, it is one of the best tools that I recommend because it makes tax time so easy. One of the biggest headaches is when we have business owners that come to us and all they've got is a bunch of receipts and all of that, and there's no real organization or anything like that. And, business owners don't know enough about their businesses in order to really prepare good tax returns, okay? So if you keep up with your bookkeeping, if you track all of this stuff as the year goes on, you won't be doing that end of year tax scramble trying to get everything together and, oh my gosh, I hope I got everything and all of that. This makes bookkeeping a breeze. And the best part about this is I don't know a tax person who does not use some form of QuickBooks. This is listen, I will be very transparent with you and let you know that there are other bookkeeping software out there. Hey, do what you do. But I'm telling you, as a tax professional, QuickBooks Self-Employed is the best out there. Okay, that's just my opinion. But you can do your research. But anyway, so I really hope this helps you out with QuickBooks Self-Employed. And, I use QuickBooks. I don't use it Self-Employed anymore. I use one of the other versions because I use it for my tax practice as well as for my affiliate marketing business as well. And so, yeah. That's it for this review of QuickBooks Self-Employed. So listen, if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and if you love it, leave me a comment and let me know, all right? And listen, if you want to know my #1 way for earning an income online, that link is in the description box. Click on that, enter your email address, and we'll see you on the other side, all right? Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.